Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get blossom candy. This highly sought-after plant is a divine tier rarity in Grow a Garden, making it quite special. It was initially introduced during a specific limited-time event, which means you can no longer purchase its seeds directly from the in-game shop. But don't worry, there are still a few clever ways to add this beautiful and valuable plant to your collection, even without direct access to its seeds. One of the most reliable ways to get blossom candy is through player interaction. Many players are willing to trade or even gift you the fruits or seeds they've acquired. Additionally, if you own a raccoon pet, it has a small chance to steal a blossom candy fruit from another player on the same server. Connecting with the game's community, perhaps through forums or social groups, can greatly increase your chances of finding someone to trade with. Beyond direct trading, there are a few other avenues to explore. Keep an eye out for community giveaways, as some generous players or content creators might offer blossom candy as prizes. There are also rumors that certain pets, such as the Golden Lab, might have a very rare chance to find event seeds, including blossom candy seeds. For those with a significant following, achieving a content creator role can grant access to any seed in the game. So, why is blossom candy so desirable? This divine plant is a multi-harvest crop, meaning it provides continuous fruits once planted. Each individual blossom candy fruit can sell for a substantial amount of in-game currency, often around 95,000 to 100,000 shekels. Beyond its economic benefits, the blossom candy plant is also a beautiful and prestigious decorative item, symbolizing dedication and achievement in your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.